How to make Keto Tuna Melt Waffles. The ingredients: 3 tablespoon almond flour, 2 tablespoon mayonnaise, 1 large egg, 75 gram canned tuna, 2 tablespoon celery, diced, salt and pepper to taste, 1 ounce cheddar cheese. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all the ingredients. 2. In a bowl, whisk together the ingredients for the waffles. Using a waffle maker, make the waffles. 3. In another bowl, mix together the tuna ingredients, tuna, mayonnaise, celery, salt, and pepper. 4. Heat a frying pan over medium heat. 5. Add one of the waffles, and top with the tuna, and the cheddar cheese. 6. Top with the other waffle and flip. Leave it on heat until the cheese has melted. 7. Enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 1 serving of Keto Tuna Melt Waffles. Each serving comes out to be 601 calories, 48 grams fat, 3.6 grams net carbs, and 35.9 grams protein. If you want to get a custom keto diet made up for you, just click on the link in the description below for more recipes.